Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation focuses on DTC P0035, which stands for Turbocharger Bypass Control Solenoid Valve Circuit High Voltage, specifically for the Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. DTC, or Diagnostic Trouble Code, indicates a problem related to the vehicle's turbocharger control circuit. The relevance of this DTC lies in its potential impact on engine performance and emissions. As the turbocharger plays a crucial role in engine efficiency, a high-voltage condition in the bypass control solenoid circuit can disrupt normal turbo operation. Through this guide, we will explore the error description, possible causes, symptoms, detailed troubleshooting steps, and recommended maintenance strategies to resolve this issue effectively. DTC P0035 indicates a high-voltage condition in the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve circuit. The turbocharger bypass control solenoid is crucial for regulating the turbocharger's wastegate, thus impacting engine airflow and performance. This solenoid is typically located near the turbocharger assembly in the engine bay, connected to a wiring harness leading to the powertrain control module, PCM. The function of this component is to control boost pressure and improve efficiency by managing exhaust gas flow. If the solenoid valve malfunctions, it can lead to poor engine performance, increased emissions, and overall drivability issues. This makes it important to monitor the functioning of this circuit closely. Several factors can lead to DTC P0035. First, there may be high voltage detected in the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve circuit, indicating a potential short or grounding issue. Second, poor connections or loose terminals at either the solenoid or PCM could disrupt the circuit, triggering this DTC. It's essential to examine the integrity of these connections thoroughly to eliminate intermittent faults. Another potential cause could be a faulty powertrain control module, PCM, which may misinterpret sensor inputs or fail to regulate the circuit correctly. Correctly diagnosing the cause is pivotal to resolving the error effectively. Identifying the symptoms associated with DTC P0035 can aid in timely diagnosis and repair. One common symptom is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, which serves as a warning that the engine management system has detected an issue. Drivers may also experience poor engine performance, characterized by sluggish acceleration or unusual engine noise attributable to improper turbo operation. Another potential symptom is elevated emissions levels, which can impact vehicle compliance with environmental standards. It's essential to address these symptoms promptly to maintain optimal vehicle operation and prevent long-term damage to the engine and turbocharger system. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0035 involves verifying the issue within the vehicle's diagnostic system. Begin by turning the ignition to the on mode without starting the engine. This sets up the vehicle's electronic systems for diagnostic checks. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the existing DTCs, ensuring that you refresh the vehicle's diagnostic data and remove any erroneous codes recorded previously. After clearing, perform the ABV test from the inspection menu within the HDS. This test will specifically assess if the turbocharger bypass control solenoid is functioning properly. Monitor the onboard diagnostics (OBD) status. If the HDS indicates failed, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC P0035, begin by turning the vehicle to the off or lock mode. Next, use the HDS to jump the SCS line, service check signal line, and wait for more than 1 minute. This step is important for accurately assessing the condition of the wiring and components without interference. Subsequently, disconnect the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve, 2P connector, and the PCM connector E80P. This disconnection is necessary to accurately test continuity between connections without the risk of external power affecting results. Ensure all components are safely handled during this process to avoid any accidental damage. The third troubleshooting step focuses on checking continuity between the test points defined for the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve and the PCM. Ensure that both connectors are disconnected to safely carry out this test. Test point 1 refers to the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve 2P connector number 1, while test point 2 is designated as PCM connector E80P number 79. With the vehicle in off mode and these connectors disconnected, check for continuity between these specified points. If continuity is present, it indicates that the ABV wire is intact, and further investigation should shift towards checking for any authorized service bulletins related to this DTC. If no continuity is detected, repair any open circuits in the ABV wire connecting the PCM to the turbocharger bypass control solenoid. Following the troubleshooting and repair steps for DTC P0035, it's essential to conduct a final repair verification. Start by rechecking the DTC status using the HDS to confirm whether the previously recorded trouble code persists. If the code has cleared, proceed to take the vehicle for a test drive to ensure that all systems are functioning normally without triggering the check engine light again. During the test drive, monitor engine performance and listen for any unusual sounds that may indicate unresolved issues. Finally, document the repair results for future reference and verify that all repairs made are effective and that the vehicle meets operational standards. Implementing preventive maintenance strategies is crucial to preventing DTC P0035 from recurring. Begin by conducting regular system checks on the turbocharger and its associated components. Regular inspection of electrical wiring and connectors can help identify any signs of wear or corrosion that could lead to intermittent faults. It's also advisable to ensure the use of original equipment manufacturer (OEM) parts when replacing components related to the turbo system. OEM parts are specifically designed for compatibility and performance, helping to maintain the integrity of the vehicle's systems. Additionally, taking proactive measures such as routine servicing and using quality fuels can contribute to the longevity of the turbocharger and related components. In conclusion, DTC P0035 points to a critical issue in the turbocharger bypass control solenoid valve circuit. Understanding the importance of troubleshooting this error is vital for maintaining optimal engine performance and compliance with emission standards. By following the outlined diagnostic steps and addressing the symptoms accurately, technicians can resolve this error effectively. Furthermore, implementing preventive measures can help minimize the risk of this DTC reappearing in the future. Keeping a close eye on vehicle diagnostics and performing regular maintenance checks will ensure that your Honda Civic continues to provide reliable performance for years to come. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.